Hey y'all, we have a hammer drill here today we're going to look at. Comes with all these bits right here, 3 different size hammer drill bits for concrete. Your depth gauge shows you, obviously how deep you are. And your chisels. Your tool itself, the hammer drill, has a drill option, your hammer drilling option. Right here you have, this is to adjust your chisel, whether it's faced horizontal or vertical. You have an adjustment here on the handle. You just push this in, you can twist it, set it to however you need that set while you're drilling. This is your lockout. Pretty simple yet effective.